how to do. Whoa, gang and a nigga up. Shit, let me tell you how to do. Pop two perks, nah nigga up. Pop two perks, nah nigga up. Pop two perks, nah nigga up.
Turn this shit up.
I just told my homie pop two perks, now give it up. I can't even say nothing, nigga. Now we gotta go. Chopper made him fold, told that bitch and pick and roll. Now we gotta get that money, yeah, we gotta drop top. Nigga, fuck you, fuck your homie too. I'm just cruising with my nigga, what you tryna do? I bust your couch real quick and I get you gone. Serving all these bowls, I'ma get on really gone. Smoking all that loud and I can't even hear shit. Baby calling my phone, I told her hold up real quick. I'm just tryna do a drill, I'm just tryna get a nigga killed. Smoking hella gas, I might smoke your homie too. Fuck nigga try me, he gon' see my crew. And we cruising, we don't fuck with your crew. Nigga try me, his ass got killed. Nah nigga up, nah nigga really stuck. Pop two perks, nah nigga up, nah nigga stuck. Chop up, fuck your ass up. I just told a nigga hold up, let me get my rats up. I ain't really done, I'ma keep going. Stop, hold up. Nigga wanna play, he gon' get his ass shot up. 2 AR hanging on my pants. I'ma pull it all, bust you in your fucking cow. Blow your ass back. Nigga try me, he gon' get his ass smacked. WD big trust that, I'ma have to get it back. Fuck nigga try me, he gon' have to get it crew. Son with my gang, nigga, what you tryna do? I can't fuck with you, but you know a nigga up. Nigga gon' be stuck, smoking gas, nigga up now. What you tryna play dumb? Tell no truth and dare, but I can get you gone. Nigga scared of who? Nigga, I ain't scared of you. You must be the fucking fool, cause I'm chillin' with my team and we gonna kill you. Niggas not no trick or treat, but come I can get you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got your bitch knocking at my door, she a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got your bitch knocking at my door, she a hoe. I just told that bitch I gotta go. Nigga, we gotta score. We gotta get them points up and we can't let it go. It's all my bros and you can't let it go. Hey, I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Got your bitch knocking at my door, she a hoe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got your bitch knocking at my door, she a hoe. I'ma keep going, never stop the flow. Chopper make 'em fold, told 'em ain't no pick and roll, but we gotta get it gone. Sipping on that lean while I'm talking to my clone. Oh shit, I just had to score one more. And I'm gone. That was a freestyle, nigga, you shoulda known. Damn, now it's cold. KTO, you the bro.